Power panic? Nah, Victron's got juice for days. Meet your off-grid ride or die. You're out there, road tripping in your RV, chilling on your boat, or cranking away at your off-grid workshop, when bam! Your power source chokes. Again. Deadlines slip, devices go dark, and your setup feels more Flintstones than futuristic. The burnout's real, and so is the constant fear of grid failures or your weak sauce inverter coughing mid-session. You've invested in a mobile or off-grid lifestyle, yet your gear doesn't match your grind. Tired of wasting time babysitting a system that's supposed to work for you? Say goodbye to janky voltage and hello to your last power problem ever. Let's be real, when the generator overloads or the AC source dips, your blood pressure spikes harder than your laptop crashes. You're caught in a game of power roulette. Burned out by backup plans. Stuck restarting appliances like it's your full-time job. Crunch time chaos? Try explaining the inverter flaked again to your boss. Or your spouse. Or the 12-volt fridge that just went warm. The stress doesn't just affect your productivity, it messes with your peace of mind. If your power setup turns every trip or task into an anxiety cocktail, you're not off-grid, you're off balance. This beast doesn't just solve your power issues, it obliterates them. The Victron MultiPlus-II Pure Sine Wave Inverter Charger is the smooth-talking energy whisperer your rig has been begging for. With 3000 volt amperes of rock-steady, 12-volt goodness, 120 amperes charging, lightning-fast UPS takeover, within 20 milliseconds, and power assist to keep generators from tapping out, this isn't just tech, it's therapy. Need to scale up? Stack up to 6 units for insane output. Use it on land, sea, or wheel, this thing's your power soulmate. It even plays nice with your solar, generator, and batteries. We call that serious swagger. No more flipping breakers or cursing out your voltage. With features like dynamic ESS, energy storage system, anti-islanding safety, and seamless switching between solar, battery, and grid, you're basically the Tony Stark of power control. Monitor remotely from your yacht or Yaris using the VRM portal or app, just add a GX device. Boost performance, protect sensitive electronics, and laugh in the face of outages. Your gear will love you. Your stress will ghost you. Your power bill? It'll probably send you a breakup text. It's that efficient, streamlined, and unshakably reliable. You're not just buying a power inverter. You're investing in uninterrupted productivity, uninterrupted Netflix, and uninterrupted you. Whether you're escaping the grid or prepping for the next blackout, this is your energy insurance policy with benefits. Don't wait until your next overload melts your plans, snag the Victron MultiPlus-II now and finally live like the high-voltage legend you are. Your future self, your devices, and your sanity will all throw you a parade. Let's make power drama extinct. Click that buy button and turn the lights on, permanently.